Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that what is the meaning of TikTok phone number already used. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. The TikTok phone number already exists. If you have to click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy, click on account here and you have to click on the account information here. By clicking on phone number, you have to enter the phone number. If you are getting some problem that you are not getting verification code and error is occurring in your phone number, it means that phone number is already existed and that phone number is already being used by the TikTok team for a account. One phone number is valid for one TikTok account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.